Are you searching for the best stainless steel dog bowls? You are in the right place for getting the valuable information on the best stainless steel dog bowls. We recommend the top 5 stainless steel dog bowls in this video. All of them are maintaining quality. If you want to buy the best stainless steel dog bowls, we think the list will be very helpful to you. Number 1. UR Power Stainless Steel Dog Bowls. These dog bowls come with an adorable bone-shaped feeding mat for the reducing mats. This stainless steel dog bowl set comes with two 26-ounce bowls, making this is a perfect setting for your dog's food and water. The no-slip silicone mat comes into your choice of black, blue, pink or grey to match your ports some personal sense of style. The bowls are made of rust-resistant steels, then they can be removed from the bone-shaped mats of easy cleaning. Plus, both the mats and bowls are dishwasher safe. This set provides to be small enough of house cats as well, making it a great pick for households with multiple pets. Number 2. Bassis Pet made in the USA stainless steel dog bowls. Ranging from the small to extra large, this stainless steel bowl is suitable for every dog from a Chihuahua to Great Dane. Best of all, Bassis Pet offered a feature that no other stainless steel dog bowls could. It made right in the USA. Bassis Pet created the best stainless steel bowls from most dogs. The company accepts returns within 30 days of purchase, even if you used it. Coupled with the amazing customer support, there is a little reason why you should choose any other stainless steel dog bowl. Number 3. Midwest Home Stainless Steel Food Bowls. This bowl by Midwest Home comes with the convenience of the attaching to your any pet case. It has a removable bucket and keeps it attaching to the case or anywhere inside. This reduces the overall mess in your house or living room, and the bowl remains enclosed within. The standard dimension of the bucket fit all cases. The dog bowl is dishwasher safe and can naturally resist germs. It requires no tools for assembly and has no trip bucketed design. The good things about the product by Midwest Home for Pets is that it is attachable to a case, which reduces the mess in your house or floor. If you are frequently go out on the trips with your pet, then collapsible or foldable bowls for convenient feeding during your adventure. Number 4. KK's Small Dogs Bowls. Featuring bacteria resistance, easy to wash stainless steel bowls and a slip-proof silicone mat, even the messiest eater won't leave you with a post-dinner cleanup. The slip-proof, skid-proof silicone mat will catch any food or water slips and will keep the bowls in the place while your puppy or a small dog eats. The materials is the set of the very eco-friendly. The mat is made from BPA-free silicone, so you can rest assured your dog is not being exposed to potential harmful chemicals. The set of bowls comes with a free collapsible travel dog bowls. You can clip the bowls to your backpack, purse, dog case during travel thanks to Carabis. It's super lightweight and easy to pack, so you won't take it up too much space in your luggage either. Number 5. Maslow Stainless Steel Standard Bowls. These bowls are easy to sanitize and dishwasher safe. The stainless steel dog dish is not easily damaged nor face stains easily. The bowls has a matte finish and a neat appearance, providing a clean dining experience for your pets. It is rust proof and the structure suits any home decorator. The product has a matte and neat design and a wide opening. The wide opening makes it easy for your dogs to access their meal. The capacity of the bowl is also good. The bowl lacks of non-slippery surface, which can be a problem if your dog pushes or moves the bowls while eating. The bowl is very light and is not steady enough to stay in one place.